Hello, I was snoring so loud that I couldn't share rooms with any friends, and even at home, people could hear me across the rooms. So I was a little desperate, and I came here to the flossery, and Dr. Santander, she offered me a solution with a laser, and this laser, we have had 3 sessions so far. You don't feel anything, but the rewards are pretty good. I'm actually, my snoring is like almost gone. Just like sometimes you can hear a little bit, but much better. And I feel now so much more confident that I could go out on trips and share the rooms with friends. Yeah, I highly recommend it.